Guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to post articles professionally on LinkedIn. So let's make a difference, or let's separate between the between articles and posts. The post, you're going to be able to see it like this. All right, this is a post right here in your LinkedIn feed, and basically you're gonna be able that this is a post and this is a caption and everything. That's a post. But if you want to add an article, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here to your home feed, and you're gonna be able to see start a post, and you're gonna be able to add media event, write article. So I'm gonna just click right here, write an article, and basically now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop image right here to your LinkedIn article, and basically you're gonna be able to add the title, and you're gonna be able to add the the article about, really. So the article title and the article description, basically you're gonna be able to be more detailed and more more specific about it, right? So it's not like a caption, and you get to be able to add a points like 1, 2, 3 or dots, or even change the font if you wanted to, change the style of the font if you want it to be big or small. You get to be able to do that. And if you want to add more photos to support your article, you get to be able to do that as well. So it's really amazing feature that's been given by LinkedIn, so you can to be use it for free. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.